Alright. It is Monday, December 7th, 2020 at 5:21 p.m. Alright guys, let's take a look quickly here what we have. Let's take a look first at Twitter. Alright. Let's take a look at my profile. So we have a solar flare alert. Earth orbiting satellites have just detected a C7 class solar flare coming from sunspot AR 2790 December 7th. So the sun is acting up. There is a class C7 solar flare. I looked up in Wikipedia for the classifications of solar flares. The weakest is class A and the strongest is class X solar flares. So the C is right in the middle. So it is middle range strength coming at us. And I'm going to read some hazards here. It says, solar flares strongly influence the local space weather in the vicinity of Earth. They can produce streams of highly energetic particles into solar wind and stellar wind, known as solar particle events. These particles can impact the Earth's magnetosphere and present radiation hazards to spacecraft and astronauts. Additionally, massive solar flares can sometimes be accompanied by coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, which can trigger geomagnetic storms that have been known to disable satellites and knock out terrestrial electric power grids for extended periods of time. So that is what we could possibly be seeing coming at us. Let's take a look here. This is the stereo A map, and this is what Earth is showing the class solar flare, the class C solar flare, and you see it just kind of ejecting from the sun, this giant wave, and then it's Earth directed. So Earth is right here, this yellow dot, and it is going to be hitting us straight on. I don't know the exact effects that it will have. I don't know if it will knock out power for electrical grids, or if it will just bring radiation and affect satellites and astronauts, but it is something that I wanted to share with you guys so you guys could see. And this is the sun right now. As you see here on the left, coronal mass ejections. The little map isn't showing anything right now. And then the aurora forecast showing the aurora borealis over the planet on the right. But I wanted to share this, the geoelectric field right now is showing some flare, but not a lot. Just like flashes of electromagnetic field energy affecting the planet or the United States right now. Hopefully by the time the solar flare, the Class C solar flare gets here, it doesn't affect it that much, but just a heads up for everybody out there keeping watch. Check out YouTube and see any more information for the real pros that look at the solar weather. I'm just a beginner, but I just wanted to share the information that a Class C solar flare was heading towards Earth. Alright guys, see you guys next time. Hit like and subscribe for more news, and God bless.